As the U.S. Army, we are generally used to having air superiority, and our lift and attack helicopters has generally dominated the close air above the brigade combat team. It's different today, though, because we've got such a high density of drones that the drones essentially are going to constantly be in the airspace. And so to bring aviation into an air corridor requires very tightly controlled airspace coordination measures where we're deconflicting by altitude and by lateral airspace. So we've put a lot of work into airspace management during this exercise. The battlefield is rapidly evolving, and as a transformation and contact unit, we're here at JMRC testing a number of new capabilities that the Army is looking to rapidly implement into our forces. So for us, it's really three areas of focus. The first is our communications network, how we talk, how we communicate on the battlefield, using a range of new communication systems that allow us to transport data over satellites, cell towers, line-of-sight radios, and other means. The second is the use of drones. We have more drones here at this rotation than a combat training center has ever seen before. And so we are looking over the course of this exercise to help validate our new organizational concept that allows us to employ drones well forward of our manned positions to both sense the enemy and then to strike and destroy before our ground forces make contact. And the third is mobility. We have a number of new mobility platforms that allow us to transport troops and equipment throughout the battlefield in ways that light infantry forces have not had before. Transformation and contact isn't just about new equipment. It's about new tactics, new techniques and procedures, about new organizational design. So as we plan for how we conduct operations as a brigade, as a transformation and contact unit, that requires us to think differently about how we're going to fight and how we're going to integrate many of these new technologies into our formation. So it's been a great opportunity for our leaders throughout the brigade to be able to think about new ways to plan and to conduct operations with all of these new capabilities. Colonel Josh Glonek from the United States. I command the 3rd Brigade, 10th Mountain Division.